What a lovely morning here in the Copenhagen Airport. Chose to walk over to Terminal 2 and it's a gorgeous morning. And I found some flowers, of course, which drew me in. The Irish passport works. And continuing on with Self-Compassion Stroll vignettes in Riga, Latvia. I'm reading my friends. And this I noticed. These sweet little leaves and this little flower attached and growing where they're doing some renovations on this building. But I couldn't help notice that these leaves almost look like stars. It's a glorious morning. And Wellbeing, which is good morning in Latvian. And I couldn't help but notice as the birds were singing, these leaves and this little flower were calling my attention. And I had to share that. Hello from my friends in Riga. As you can see, they live surrounded by all these beautiful trees and the birds. Here to help celebrate and enjoy Midsummer. My dear friend and her family. So another self-compassion moment. What is it that you could notice? Perhaps a breeze on your face. Birdsong in your ears. Wind in the trees. Sunlight on the trunks of the trees.